Hey everyone, welcome back and let's create a boring canvas into a painting. This is the inspo of my painting and this is the canvas which I'll be using with the face. My dad has created the face. Things you will require for this process of the first layer, which is glue and water paste and tissue paper. The ratio of glue and water is 1 is to 1 and please spread it evenly and apply the tissue paper as shown in the video. After applying the glue and water paste with the tissue paper, please cut the excess tissue paper. While it's drying, let's paint the face white and yellowish color as per the color palette. To give it a sandy texture, I will be using white rangoli which is saved and a bit of golden dust. I will be mixing it thoroughly and I will be just sprinkling it over the face to give it a sandy texture. As the first layer of the canvas is dried, now I'll be going on to the second step, which is water, wall cement and POP mixture and a bit of glue, and I'll be applying it evenly as shown in the video on the canvas. Let it dry for 24 hours. We don't want any moisture retain in it or it will give you a bubble effect on the canvas. तो सेकेंड लेयर मेरा सूख चुका है. अब मैं लेने वाली हूँ मेरा पेंसिल एंड मैं उस पर ड्रॉ करना शुरू कर रही हूँ. फ्रीली रफ हैंडेड मैं ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ जो भी डिज़ाइन मेरे पास मेरे इंस्पिरेशन के हिसाब से है. एंड उसके बाद मैं वॉल पुट्टी और पानी और ग्लू का मिक्सचर बना के उसके ऊपर ट्रेस कर लूँगी. अब मैंने ये एक साइड पे झरोका पेंटिंग बना लिया एंड उसको सूखने तक मैंने लोटस का ड्रॉ कर लिया शेप एंड लोटस को मैंने उसी कोन से मैंने फिल इन कर दिया. एंड नाउ आई क्रिएटेड फ्यू शेप्स एंड आई स्टार्ट with the same cone. I started making those lines so it looks cute and very aesthetic, giving me a boho vibe. To give the lotus a 3D shape, you can use molded clay as well as a air dry clay or an M seal. I have added many layers of wall putty and water mixture to get a 3D effect, as well as I have used an M seal or a molded clay to give it a 3D effect, and keep on sanding the lotus for a very smooth texture. So now my lotus has been dried and I will be painting a white base so I can paint more colors on it. I will be applying the white layer all over the canvas and let the canvas dry for another 24 hours. So now I'm applying yellow strokes all over the canvas as per the color palette which I wanted, and then adding a bronze color or a rose gold metallic color on top of it, a bit of strokes like how I'm doing of yellow. So this is how it looks after painting. Now I'll be adding stones to the jharoka for a better view, and I'll be adding mirrors, small mirrors on it. So let's see how it is. This is me applying these small mirrors which I got it from Meesho. If you want the link, please comment a link for the mirrors, small mirrors. So now my mom is applying these small mirrors, which is really looking good. And this is how is the final output, and I loved it. So thanks for watching and follow my Instagram.